I'm going to start using this leaf blower to blow my tractor and bush hog off when I get done. All that gunk right there wants to cake up on there. See, the front of that grill has a bunch of trash on there. This tractor also has a screen covering the radiator. Well, my loader's in the way, so I guess I'll blow about half of it off. This leaf blower I've had for a while. It's a Craftsman 24 volt. Go ahead and blow out the air filter too.